Welcome to the short introduction to the patent status indicator. The patent status indicator tells you if a patent publication, for example a granted US patent, is still alive or not. Here is an exemplary reference search on organic light-emitting diode emitters that I have filtered to patents only. In the results summary, we now see that there is a patent status indicator available for the basic patent and also for each patent family member of this invention. Let me give you some more information on a patent status indicator on a reference detail page. A patent status indicator is available here in this patent family table for each family member within this patent family, and it tells me if this member is still alive or not. As you might remember, a patent is limited to 20 years. In exceptional cases, the patent term can be extended to another 5.5 years, after which it expires. However, during the life cycle of a patent, several events can occur affecting its validity, such as, for example, withdrawal or lapse due to non-payment of fees. These legal events, together with the expiration date of the patent, are used to predict the patent status indicators. There are 4 different patent status indicators: alive, dead, transitional, and indeterminate. When there is no data available, the status indicator is set to unknown. You can find the definitions of each patent status indicator when clicking on this information icon next to the patent status. One remark on the status indicators. If you have a critical project, we recommend to additionally check the national registers for latest patent status information. If we now return to the reference results, we can see here in the filter panel on the left-hand side that there is now the patent status indicator available as filter as well. So I could now filter for only inventions with active family members to evaluate their territorial protection. So I would filter for live, transitional, indeterminate, and unknown, in the sense that everything not dead could still be alive. And that would give me now only inventions where there's an active, transitional, indeterminate, or unknown family member. I can also link this patent status to a specific patent country, for example, Korea. So that now means that I will only see inventions with a Korean family member that is either active, transitional, indeterminate, or unknown. Take a look at this new feature next time you're working in SciFinder. See you soon!